You'll be amazed when you walk up to this Brighton floor plan. This spacious two-story home is the perfect home for you and your family. The large stone and brick exterior complements the large custom entryway. As you walk in, you'll notice luxurious hardwood floors, high ceilings, and the formal dining room right off the front door. The spiral staircase curves right into the living area with high soaring ceilings and a Texas-sized fireplace. Right off the living room, you'll find a large open kitchen with custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, large island, and a breakfast nook to get your morning started with style. The large owner's retreat is spacious and offers plenty of privacy from the main living areas. The master bathroom will leave you speechless with its large open layout, separate dual vanities, custom walk-in shower, and relaxing garden tub. As you make your way to the back porch, you'll notice the large covered patio that you and your friends and family will enjoy hours upon hours of entertainment. First Texas Homes offers the ability for you to customize your floor plan and can build the Brighton plan with a media room and built-in surround sound wiring for those family movie nights and for watching your favorite sporting events. With more than 2,800 square feet, a game room, and 4 bedrooms, the Brighton floor plan provides plenty of space for your whole family. We can build this First Texas home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth. Contact a First Texas home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out more about building the Brighton floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.